Happy Thanksgiving! Today I'm making an easy pumpkin casserole. This recipe combines pumpkin, spices, and marshmallows to make a sweet and creamy treat. It's great to serve for Thanksgiving or all season long because it's easy to make and delicious. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and in a large bowl, add 3/4 cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin, 1 cup of evaporated milk, 2 eggs, a half a cup of butter melted, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now whisk this together until it's combined. Now pour the mixture into at least a 3-quart casserole dish because this can spill over from the marshmallows. Now bake this in the oven for about 35 minutes or until the center slightly wiggles. Then remove from oven and place some marshmallows on the top. Then return to the oven until the marshmallows are lightly golden brown. Then remove from oven and place it onto a wire rack to cool. And here it is, easy pumpkin casserole. And this can be served as either a sweet side dish or as a dessert. And you can try other toppings on this, such as chopped pecans, toasted coconut, or even drizzled caramel sauce. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. It's great to serve to 1 cup of evaporated 1 cup of evaporated 1 cup of evaporated or until the center is just wiggly, just wiggles, or until the center wiggles. Happy Thanksgiving!